Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Wyze Cam V3 not connecting to your local network. So whenever you face this type of errors, you just have to simply try these troubleshooting methods in which you just have to simply check that your phone or the tablet is on the 2.4 gigahertz network. If you are using Android, then go to the settings and then tap on the wireless and network option or the connections to see your network name. If you are using iOS device, then you need to go to the settings, then tap on Wi-Fi to see your network home. You need to forget all the Wi-Fi networks and restart your phone and tablet, then reconnect to your 2.4 gigahertz network. For iOS, in the settings app, you just have to simply go to general, then go to reset and select the reset network settings. For Android, in the settings app, go to general, management or the system, then tap on reset or reset options and then reset the network settings and confirm the reset. You can even try to power cycle your Wyze Cam. For that, you just have to simply unplug your camera from the power outlet and wait for 5 to 10 seconds, then plug it back into the power. You can even try to force close the Wyze application, then open it again. So these are some of the troubleshooting methods that you can try. Now, if none of the methods work for you, then you can directly contact with the Wyze Cam's customer support team. For that, simply come to Wyze and then hover over to the top and click on help, then click on contact us. So once you are on the contact us page, you can either chat with them, or you can even join the community, or you can even find some other methods with the help of which you can contact them and try to resolve your issue. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.